अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, माय नेम इज़ अनीला। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करने जा रहे हैं एक ऑनलाइन रिसोर्स के बारे में, ऑनलाइन अर्निंग रिसोर्स के बारे में, जो कि है लिंक्डइन। ठीक है, सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं व्हाट इज लिंक्डइन। लिंक्डइन है क्या? ठीक है, हमें सबसे पहले जानना है कि लिंक्डइन है क्या। Okay, let's talk about it. LinkedIn is an American business and employment-oriented online service that operates via websites and mobile apps. Launched on May 2003, the platform is mainly used for professional networking and allows job seekers to post their CVs and employers to post jobs. Okay, now let's come to the main topic. What is LinkedIn and how does it work? ठीक है, अब ये सवाल आता है सामने। LinkedIn is an online platform that connects the world professionals. A complete LinkedIn profile will summarize your personal professional experience to your connections, current and future employers. Through your profile, you can showcase your professional life, milestones, skills, and interest. Okay. Now, what is main purpose of LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a social network that focuses on professionals networking and career development. You can use LinkedIn to display your resume, search for jobs, and enhance your professional reputation by posting updates and interacting with other people. Okay, the next question is LinkedIn free to join? Okay. Social networking service LinkedIn is free, but if you choose to upgrade to a paid account, you have to access additional features. Open link as a premium member. You can get messages from any LinkedIn user at no cost to them. Okay. Now, how should a beginner use LinkedIn? देयर आर सम स्टेप्स। ठीक है, जो कि बिगनर्स के लिए हैं। यहाँ पे गाइडलाइन है। सबसे पहले है सेटिंग अप योर प्रोफाइल। योर लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल इज नॉट जस्ट अ कॉपीड एंड पेस्ट सीवी। ठीक है, आपको सबसे पहले एक प्रोफाइल क्रिएट करना है और उसको कॉपी पेस्टेड ना हो, और वो बिल्कुल भी आपकी ओरिजिनल होनी चाहिए। ठीक है, ओके। चूजिंग योर फोटो, highlight skills and get endorsed, make the most of other profiles, build your connections। ठीक है, ये 5 स्टेप्स हैं। इनको लेकर आपको अपनी लिंक्डइन की जो है वो स्टार्ट करना चाहिए। ये 5 स्टेप्स हैं। ठीक है, ओके। हम अब बात करते हैं व्हाट आर द डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ लिंक्डइन। Cons of LinkedIn: spam connections. Not each message you receive once on this social platform goes to be helpful. Investment of initial time. Not every business professional is active on LinkedIn. Posting rules are confusing sometimes. Privacy concerns. The premium can be costly. Okay. Okay, now how does LinkedIn make money? Now the main question is, ये money कैसे हम बना सकते हैं इससे? ठीक है, according to LinkedIn quarterly SEC filings, the professional networking site makes money through its talent solutions, marketing solutions, and premium subscriptions. In other words, by selling advertising, recruitment services, and membership privileges. Okay. Now the next question is LinkedIn good for finding a job? बिकॉज आजकल के दौर में यहाँ पे बहुत से लोग जॉबलेस हैं और वो जॉब की तलाश में फिर रहे होते हैं। लेकिन हमारे यहाँ मेनली चाहे किसी ने एमबीए किया हुआ है, मास्टर किसी लेवल पे भी हो, जॉबलेस ही तकरीबन है। तो आजकल ये जो और मेरे ख्याल में जो 2020 के बाद जो है वो ऑनलाइन जो है मतलब रिसोर्सेज काफ़ी ज़्यादा इनहेंस हो रहे हैं इसमें। ठीक है, इज लिंक्डइन गुड फॉर फाइंडिंग अ जॉब? ठीक है, इसका आंसर क्या है? इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ न्यू जॉब, लिंक्डइन इज अ गुड प्लेस टू स्टार्ट योर सर्च। At least 500 million people use the network and there are more than 10 million active jobs listings. Fortune magazine reported in 2017. Okay, now can you find jobs on LinkedIn? Of course, yes. Answer is LinkedIn helps you to find relevant jobs that suit your skills and qualifications. You can either search for a job using the search field on top of LinkedIn homepage, or you can directly access the job page where you can search and apply for jobs. Okay. Now the main question is LinkedIn toxic? LinkedIn is most toxic social media site on the internet, and that is the hill I am fine with dying on. The classic LinkedIn paradox: after spending hours scrolling through the listings and hopelessly dropping applications in the inboxes of recruiters who would never open them, my self-confidence was running on fumes. Okay. How does TikTok make money? This is another question. How does LinkedIn make money in 2021? ठीक है. Most of LinkedIn's revenue comes from three main places: marketing, premium recruiting services, and premium user subscription services. Okay. What should you not to do on LinkedIn? ठीक है. अब ये मेन क्वेश्चन है कि आपको वो कौन सी चीज़ है जो कि LinkedIn पे नहीं करनी चाहिए. सबसे पहले यहाँ पे है डोंट सेंड स्पैमी मैसेज टू योर कनेक्शंस. Second number, don't send irrelevant messages. Okay, don't send messages with I see you viewed my profile. Don't lock down your profile. Don't add connections to your email list. Don't ask new connections to or people you don't know to endorse you. Okay. Okay, does what is the best way to find a job? Okay, ask your network for referrals, contact companies directly, use job search platform, go to job fairs, leverage social media, inquire at staff agencies. ठीक है. Now the next question is, can you delete LinkedIn? It is possible to delete your LinkedIn account if you no longer wish to use the business networking site. When you delete your account, LinkedIn promises to remove all of your account information from their sites within 7 days. ठीक है? Okay. Now the main question: can you trust LinkedIn? Overall, LinkedIn was the most trusted platform for the third year in a row and claimed the top spot on half of Business Insider's pillars of trust. That means more members join and stay for the long haul, driving more opportunities for engagement initially and over time. Okay. How can I find a job immediately? The next question. Find jobs that fit your qualifications. Make a list of your job experience, education, and skills. Optimize your cover letter and resume. Ask for help from your network. Consider temporary position, research, appearance, or interview questions. So, these are the main जो